evaluate the following limits. So in first part we got limit of arctangent, which is same as tangent inverse x square, as x approaches to infinity. As we know, arctangent function, like many other functions, is continuous in its domain. So this limit can be taken inside. That means this is pretty much arctangent of infinity square is very big. So arctangent infinity. Okay, this is pretty much infinity. And what is arctangent of infinity in terms of limit? Let's look at the graph of arctangent. Okay, graph of y equals tangent inverse x, and this part is gonna be very, very big in our case. Graph this using your graphing calculator, or you may have seen before. And now we need to change the numbers, not 1, 2, in terms of pi over 2, because tangent, the domain of tangent is just negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So this is pi over 2, and here is negative pi over 2, and you can go in the same way, and we get two horizontal asymptotes for arctangent. And arctangent of 0 is 0, so the graph looks like something like this. So when x goes to infinity, when x is very, very big, tangent inverse of very, very big is just pi over 2. On the other hand, when this one goes to negative, when x goes to negative infinity, so tangent inverse of negative infinity is negative pi over 2. So here when x goes to infinity, this x squared goes to infinity as well. Okay, this is infinity. So we got now tangent inverse of infinity. So tangent inverse of very, very big, that means we get pi over 2. Okay. Second question, same thing. We got arctangent or tangent inverse of e raised to x, where x goes to infinity, negative infinity. So this limit can be taken inside, and e to the kind of negative infinity in terms of limit, and this can be regarded as, negative means 1 over e to the positive infinity when we put in a fraction, and e raised to very, very, very big is very big, and 1 over very, very big in terms of limit is 0. Okay, these are, I'm writing in terms of limits. Okay, and this is what is happening inside. When x goes to negative infinity, e to the x goes to 0, by the way. This one goes to 0. Then now we are left with arctangent of 0, because limit is inside already. Tangent inverse of 0. Same graph. Okay, when x is 0, the domain 0, then arctangent is also 0. So this is 0. Final.